What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today we're going to be doing another product review. Today we actually have David Patterson's car care, one of his products, and we have the Brake Dust Pro. If you guys can see, here's the bottle right here. Patterson Car Care Brake Dust Pro. This is the touchless wheel cleaner, and as you guys can see, this is a pretty large amount now that I think about it. So it gives you kind of all the details on the back. And if you guys don't know who David Patterson is, he is that dude in blue on YouTube. He slowly became famous with his different Mustangs. He's currently located in Georgia, but he did start his channel out of Central Virginia, which I think is pretty cool because that kind of relates to me. So I wanted to support his business, support his channel. So I wanted to give this car care product a try for myself. And once you go on his website, pattersoncarcare.com, once you go on there, the bottle itself is only about $19. You factor in shipping and handling, it comes out to about $24. So all in all, not bad. What sold me is watching some of his YouTube videos, and at the very end, he would always have a plug for this product here. And I would always be so surprised at how well it worked. So how you're supposed to apply this is you apply it to a dry wheel. So I haven't added any water to this wheel, of course. So if you guys can see, this is my front wheel on my Jeep Wrangler, and it's pretty bad. So let me show you. Yeah, that's disgusting. So the front wheel is always the worst. I'll show you guys what the back ones look like, but they're not nearly as bad, in my opinion at least, but still a good amount of brake dust. So we're gonna see how effective this product is. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this product review. Alright, so the directions state on this product: spray an ample amount of product directly onto a dry wheel, focus extra onto any wheel corners or crevices, and you just allow 45 to 60 seconds for the product to saturate onto the dirty wheel. And it should turn a deep red or purple color, and that shows you that it's breaking down all the contaminants of the brake dust and everything. So we'll actually be able to see it in progress. So I'm excited. So let's see how well this works, and then we just spray it off. Now I will mind you, the only bad thing about this product is it does have a pretty strong odor. So it doesn't smell the best, but you know, this isn't something that needs to smell good. So let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, don't spray this in the wind. Oh wow, I see it turning purple already. Yeah, don't spray this product in the wind, let me tell you, but look at that. Ooh, grimy, grimy. There we go. I think it's good and saturated now. Wow, look at that. And now we rinse off. Wow, look at all of that purple. All done. Alright, so here's the wheel now. Of course, I'm not expecting the same results that you would get from actually using a towel or a brush to get the brake dust off. But overall, I still think it looks a lot better than it did before. Go ahead and give the finger test one more time. Not nearly as much as when it first came out, so not too bad at all. So I'm curious, I'm actually going to give this a second coat to see if it will take off any of this that we have in here. But like I said, that's really not that bad. So I'm just going to go ahead, give it a quick second coat and see how much actually comes off. I'm going to make sure I get inside these crevices here. So as you can see, not nearly as purple as it was, so it definitely works, no question about it. See, we still got a little bit of purple up here, so it's working still. Alrighty, second coat's done. I think we're ready for a rinse. Alright, so let's compare this wheel now to the back wheel that just doesn't have as much brake dust anyway. And I definitely say this front wheel looks a lot cleaner than this one. So this product definitely works. It will save you some scrub time, it'll save you some elbow grease, and it looks really good. If for any reason maybe you don't have the time or the tools to do, you know, an official wipe down of your wheels, I think this is a great help. So Patterson Car Care Brake Dust Pro, like I said, it's about $19. Once you factor in the shipping and handling, it comes out to about $24. So either way, not a bad deal at all. So I'm probably going to go ahead and continue with the rest of the wheels on the truck, but I at least wanted to show you guys how it does on the front ones, because these are always the worst. And I may do another video one day on the Camaro wheels, because I feel like these have the biggest contrast since it is a lighter wheel compared to the dark one. So, but yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see that. But of course, if you've tried this product before, make sure you leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about it, and if this is something you would consider getting. Like I said, you know where to get it from, and I think it's definitely worth it. So good job, David. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. I do try to post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.